How do you know if SEO is right for your business? What do you mean if it's right for your business? It is absolutely necessary to have SEO in place in 2024. Do you know how many people that I work with that are spending like hundreds of thousands of dollars a month on paid media, and they are asking questions like,
is SEO right for my business?
Is this something that I should invest my money into?
That's like asking if Wi-Fi is right for your smartphone. I mean, come on. For those of you who need further breakdown of this, it's like walking into a tech store, holding a flip phone in your hand and asking people, can this phone download TikTok? Obviously not. If you're one of those people who's still wondering whether SEO is for you, it's time to catch up. SEO is not optional, it's essential. Without it, your website is like a car with no gas. You're stuck in the driveway while you're watching your competition cruise down the highway with a full speed. Do you want that for your business? I sure don't. So yeah, asking if SEO is right for your business in 2024 is like asking if a Netflix is still a good idea for a movie night. Heck yeah it is, because ain't nobody lining up in front of a Blockbuster anymore. You get the point that I'm trying to make. 4.9 billion people around the globe use Google. Google basically owns and controls so many different aspects of these people's lives. You can literally reach the whole earth with this. But what you need to do is that there are rules to the Google's jungle. You gotta understand a couple of things. Less than 1% of searchers that use Google, 4.9 billion people, 1% of those people will pass through the first page of Google, meaning they're going to look for information on the second page of Google. That is very, very low percent of the people. So what that means for you is that nobody's out there searching for you on the second page of Google. Most of your visibility is going to come from the first page position, and not only just position anywhere on the first page, but in a golden triangle. The top 3 positions on the first page, we call this a golden triangle, and ultimately that's where you want your website to be, because that's where the most click activities happen. Another thing that you need to consider here is that Google possesses 82% of the search market in the world. They literally control the majority of this market. All the other search engines, they're great, they do matter, but they don't matter as much as Google. Google is the power driver. Google has the most users. Google has the most usability. So instead of optimizing your website for all these other search engines, concentrate all your efforts on Google. Google is going to be your primary organic sales revenue driver. I've seen this across all the top e-commerce companies that I work with. Bing and every other search engine does not even come close to the numbers that Google is able to deliver. And we have people also indexed on Bing and other search engines, but depending on the industry, nobody can beat Google. You also need to optimize your website for mobile usability. Now, a lot of the traffic is starting to increase and come from the mobile devices. In fact, Google's 63% of the traffic comes all from mobile devices. And over the years, that percentage started to go up, and it's going up. I'm sure next year it's going to be a lot higher than what it is this year. So if you want to have a good position and then make Google happy, make your users happy by having a great user experience and making sure that your website meets the mobile optimization standards that Google has as part of their quality assurance. For those of you who are running the local operations, this is a brand new statistic. 97% of people that want to learn something about a local business will learn that information on internet more than people referring or people actually sharing information about that business. Having strong organic presence for local businesses is very important in nowadays era. Half of all searches that people are conducting contain at least 4 or more words in the search bar. What does that mean? That means that people that are typing a long keywords in Google might be more effective for your business because you're targeting exact specific target audience that is interested in what information you're putting out there. 53% of the mobile users who visit the site will exit the page if that mobile page takes more than 3 seconds for them to load. If that page takes longer than 3 seconds to load on their mobile devices. So continuous evolution and optimization of your website constantly as the new data comes in is super important because this is your organic foundation. This is how you will introduce your products or services or your brand as a whole to a complete new audience that's looking to find brands like yours by typing search terms in their search bar on Google. They are all out there. You just have to think one step ahead of everybody and actually position your brand for a long-term growth and long-term impact through the search engine. All right, guys, we've covered plenty enough on this video. And if there is one thing you should take away is this. Asking if SEO is important for your business in nowadays era is like asking if parachute is important when skydiving. Sure, you could try without it, but good luck with that landing. Thank you guys for watching this video. And remember, keep your keywords strong and your content optimized and your rankings high. And if you need a little help, you know where to find me. Right on the first page of Google.